Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to access your Learn360 account so you can use it in your classroom. So Learn360, you can do a Google search for it. It's going to ask you to log in. Your school should give you a generic username and password that you can use. So once you have the school's username and password that they allow you to go in as a generic username and password, you can create your own profile. And I would strongly recommend you do this because once you create your own profile, all the videos that you've been looking for will be in your profile. It'll save there. So a simple way of doing this is clicking on your profile and say sign in with Google. You click on your account. And if your school has access or your district has paid for this access or you get it from somewhere else, it's going to automatically create your account using your Google School email. So now you're going to notice it's going to have your name here when you register your name here. The beauty about Learn360 is these are educational videos. So let's assume you're talking about the phases of the moon. You can click on the phases of the moon. So this is all student friendly. It has a script on the side. But let's say you really do like this video. If you're hooked up to Google Classroom, all you have to do here is if you want to assign this as an assignment for the students, you click on the Google Classroom icon. And then from here, you just click on the icon that has your school's Gmail account and you can just go in there and assign it to your Google Classroom. So that's a very neat thing that Learn360 is doing for you. So another feature that I really like about Learn360 is this browse standard feature. If you know the standard that you're trying to teach, you can click on this search engine and it'll look for the standard that you're looking for. Now, not all of them have videos, but if there's a video, it will link it directly to that standard. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. But thank you for watching. And once again, don't forget to like and subscribe.